Welcome to Xrero website. Let's dive in. Xrero website lets you build and run your own website with no code. You drag ready-made building blocks onto a page, type directly onto it, swap images, and click Save. What you see is what visitors get. Open website from the Apps menu. You land on your site with an editor toolbar. The backend menu manages pages and settings. Click Edit, top right, to enter the editor. The page becomes editable and a Blocks panel opens on the right with 3 tabs: Blocks, Add Content, Theme, Site-Wide Style, and Customize, options for the selected block. Building blocks are ready-made sections: a banner, a row of columns, a pricing table, a call to action, a gallery. Drag one from the panel and drop it where you want on the page. Click any text on the page and type, just like a word processor. A floating toolbar lets you make text bold, change size, add a link, or pick a color. Click an image to replace it, crop it, or apply a filter. Choose a new picture from the media library or upload your own. Select a block and open the Customize tab to change its look without code: background color or image, spacing, number of columns, alignment, animation. From Plus New Page, give the page a name. Xrero creates the URL and adds it to the menu, your choice. Every page has properties: its name, URL, publish switch, and SEO fields. A page is only visible to the public when published is on, so you can build in private and reveal when ready. The top menu is how visitors move around. Add, rename, reorder, or nest menu items, and link each to a page or external address. The Theme tab sets the look of the whole site at once: your brand colors, heading and body fonts, button styles, and rounding. The header, logo plus menu, and footer, links, address, social icons appear on every page. Edit them once, and the change applies site-wide. Drop a form block onto a page to collect inquiries. Add the fields you need: name, email, message, and choose what happens on submit: send an email or create a record, such as a CRM lead. When a visitor submits a form, the result goes where you set it: an email to your inbox or a record in Xrero, such as a CRM lead, so your sales team can follow up. The media library stores all your images and documents in one place, so you reuse them across pages without re-uploading. Most UAE visitors browse on phones, so the editor has a mobile preview. Click the phone icon to see how a page looks on a small screen, and tweak spacing or hide a block on mobile if needed. Each page has SEO settings: a title, a description, and keywords that help search engines understand and rank it. Fill these in plain language with the words customers search for, and Xrero shows a preview of how the page will appear in Google results. For UAE audiences, you can run the site in English and Arabic. Enable Arabic, then translate each page's text. Visitors switch language from a flag/menu in the header, and Arabic pages display right to left automatically. Add a blog to publish news and articles, useful for SEO and keeping customers engaged. Each post is built with the same blocks as a page, has its own SEO, and can be categorized and tagged so readers find related posts. While editing, click Save to keep changes or Discard to undo them. Save changes on a published page are live immediately. On an unpublished page, they wait until you flip the publish switch. The pages list shows every page with its URL and publish status. From here, you rename, duplicate, unpublish, or delete pages, and see which are live. See how your site is doing: number of visitors, most viewed pages, and where people come from. Connect Google Analytics for deeper insight. Admins set the essentials here: the domain name, the site's languages, the active theme, social links, and integrations like analytics or a chat widget. A site that converts follows a few rules, summarized here, then explained. The build flow in 4 words: drag a block in the editor, style it with the theme, then publish the page. The question site editors ask most with a quick answer. That is Xrero website. Start your free trial today.